Thanks for tuning in to another great episode of Driven by Gears. As you can see, we're actually in the garage and not on the desktop gaming system. Ooh, yeah. Check out the old General here. Start to work on her here soon. We had some disasters happen on the lifted Z71. We had to fix that. We'll be starting on this motor here hopefully soon. What I'm about to do now is I need to weld up this bar here because it came loose. So that's what we're about to do. Then after that, we'll press on with other matters. Thanks for watching. And as always, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and until